So today we're going to have a look at how you measure a Dipwell for the Dynamic Dunescapes Citizen Science project. So first of all, you need to find your Dipwell. It might look something like this, a small pipe with a black lid on it. There might be other markers nearby like a post, depends on your site. You may want to check with your site leads or your community engagement officer. So what do you need to measure a Dipwell? Well, you need one of these, which is a dip meter. Some dip meters may have a tape measure connected to them, or they may not. So you may also need a tape measure. You also need the Dynamic Dunescape Citizen Science app or the printout of the record sheet. So how do we measure a Dipwell? Well, first you want to take off the cap, if there is one. So that's what the cap looks like. Get your dip meter and nice and gently lower it down into the Dipwell until it starts to beep. So nice and gently lowering it down. Once it starts to beep, pull it back up a little bit and then very gently lower it back down so you get a more accurate reading. There we go, that's just where it's starting to beep. If it doesn't have a tape measure on your dip meter, mark the place, pull it back out and use your tape measure to measure it. And then pop it onto the app or write it down onto your record sheet. So that is how we measure a Dipwell. Nice and easy.